one thing I like to do is pick up the cheapest parts first and then basically work my way up. So we're going to try the cheapest vinyl record cleaning brush that I could find on Amazon. I believe it was either $16 or $14. I'll have to look it up. I'll leave a link in the description for this. Right off the bat, it looks pretty good. It's got a nice stainless steel cover on it. It's got the flippy things to clean the brush. The brush looks half decent. We're going to do a test on it just to see how well it works. I got a nice dirty album that hasn't been cleaned in a while. Like, I mean dirty. It doesn't look bad, actually, considering the price. Nice soft bristles. Really soft bristles. And I'm guessing to clean it, you just go like this. Never used one before. Usually I didn't really mind the pops and everything else. But I got an album that really needs it bad, so we'll try it out. It'll be a pretty good review on the cheapest one I could find. Feels pretty good. It doesn't feel really flimsy, like it's, yeah, cool. Well, let's go try it out and see what it's like. And trust me, I got a dirty album. Look at the dirt on that. Pretty bad. Probably wouldn't hurt to do a glue on it. But from what I've heard, you just basically drop it on. Wow, look at that. It works pretty good. And then drag it. Look at that. Wow. Let me clean it and we'll give it another round and see if we can get even cleaner. Oh, you see how I left that line? See that line that's going around in circles there? So that's why you gotta basically drop it down and slowly drag it down. Not bad. It works. I mean, for what I paid for it, it does the job. This record obviously probably wouldn't hurt to do more of a scrubbing or even the glue treatment on it. If that'll do it and get the grooves clean. But this one was pretty filthy. So would a $14 or $16 brush work? Yeah, I'd say it works pretty good. Take it easy.